Meaning of hiker.
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 Hiker. The term hiker generally refers to a person who enjoys walking or trekking in natural settings, often through trails and mountains. It is an activity that can be done for leisure, exercise, or adventure. Hikers typically carry backpacks containing food, water, and other essentials for the journey. They may also use hiking poles to assist with balance and stability. Hiking can provide a sense of connection with nature, promote physical fitness, and offer opportunities for solitude or social interaction. Overall, hiker is a term used to describe someone who engages in the activity of hiking.